Hello everyone, first of all, I apologize for the bad Arsenal gameplay on screen currently, but anyway, welcome back to another video. In this weekend's video, I will be showing you guys how to make music from Spotify, Pandora, YouTube Music, a Google Chrome tab, etc. come through into VoiceMeeter with just a couple of clicks. Let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go down here. It might be in here, but you're going to right click on this little speaker icon, then press Open Sound Settings, then scroll down a little bit, and under Advanced Sound Options, click this button. It'll bring you to this menu. You're going to look for like Spotify, Google Chrome, whatever you're using to stream music. And then on the output column, probably going to be default, but you're going to click on that, then go to Cable Input right here. Now it will be streaming to here, and you'll see this moving like your microphone or whatever you're using right here. So now, just a thing to note down, once you play the music, you won't be able to hear it. Don't be worried. It's just coming through here as the output. So there's nothing wrong. It's just, you just won't be able to hear it for the duration that you have it selected in the sound properties. Okay, so if you play your music, I'm gonna pause the music, then if I open the voice recorder application and then press record, you will be able to hear the music. So I'm gonna do that really quick. As you guys could hear, it does actually work, and I haven't just recorded it. This is directly from raw Microsoft Voice Recorder. Also, another thing to note is that I've learned that on applications like Xbox Console Companion, Game Bar, the quality isn't the best. I'm not completely sure why. It might be on Discord or like TeamSpeak, Skype, whatever, but I'm not completely sure because I haven't tried it yet. Okay, so editing Renaissance does things here. In the last particular part you just watched, I wasn't very clear about what I was saying. So basically what I was trying to say is that I'm not completely sure if the audio quality of the music would be affected upon in any other applications like Discord, TeamSpeak, etc. But it's just another thing to note down. Alright, back to the video. But yeah, that's all you have to do, and then you're set. Alright, well, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.